Will the November USDA report have any significance?
I think it's going to be a very significant report. We've looked at the last 11 years, and believe it or not, corn yield has changed by an average of 0.73 bushels an acre. And that's with 3 negative years and 8 positive years with yield increasing. This year, any increase in yield would be a very bearish scenario. Do I think that could happen for corn? Yeah, I do. We've been getting a lot of really big reports. Now, on the other side of it, the number's pretty high to start with, and we had dryness at the end of the year, so test weights may have come down a little bit. So very important. This will move the market one way or the other. On beans, 0.23 bushels average the last 11 years they increased yield by. That's with 3 negative years and 2 years without a change. So less effect on beans. I think more important is the fact that we have such high ending stocks. We really need demand to stay strong there.
What's your worst case scenario for beans between now and the end of the year?
The USDA increases yield by a bushel. Trump is elected and starts going after China, and the ending stocks climb to 600 million. We could see prices another 50-75 cents lower at one point.
Is this bad start to winter wheat planting going to show up in prices?
Hopefully it will show up in prices. Guys are not getting the crop in as fast as they should. A lot of dryness in the plain states. We have some significant risk, and hopefully that will pan out on prices. I do expect prices to rally as we go through the winter.
With South America getting rain, where should we look to for the next disruption that could pull prices higher?
I don't think there's going to be disruption right now until we get weather in South America. Australia, we got to watch with wheat, but it's not an issue right now. I really think it's going to be the demand side. Prices are so cheap. All end users are making money off you guys right now. Corn and beans, if you're a popcorn distributor, if you're a hog producer, if you're a cattle producer, if you make ethanol, any kind of commercial, you're all making money off the price of corn and soybeans where they are right now. So the old saying, cheap prices cure cheap prices by creating demand. That demand has definitely been created. That's good news.
Everyone around me where I live is convinced Trump is going to win. What's the quickest way he'll help us?
He doesn't take office to January. So initially it's going to be fear of him causing disruption. Get on him and China arguing, debating, trading, barbs back and forth. I don't know what he could do to help the current fundamental situation in soybeans. We need exports. We're not getting any from Brazil. Some kind of deal with, we're not getting it from China, they're going to Brazil. Some kind of a deal with China where they buy some of our beans every year would be helpful. I just don't see that getting done for quite a while.